This is a repair job on an Indesit fridge. I've had to angle it over to allow me to get access to the underside. What I've done is, if you look over there, that's the original foot to the fridge, and a replacement which I had with it is this one, but that got twisted and bent right over like that, and I took it off, intended to put it back in again, and it deformed. The metal around here deformed, and it's just not possible to get this bolt to go in because it's deformed. And what I've done instead is to use one of these self-tapping screws to go in. As it goes in, it cuts a new thread in the metal and fits onto it. So I've got it to the right sort of length to do, and I'm hoping that will be an effective replacement. These particular screws come from South Africa, and we've got a very high level of high quality nickel, so that's the idea there. It's a bit mucky at the moment. It was raining, and it's splashed up all the muck, but can't be helped. I'm hoping that's an effective repair. The screwdriver I used was a power fix. It's biggest one I've got actually, but I like power fix. I think very high quality at very low price. So there you are, and I'm hoping that's going to be a good repair anyway.